The car looks absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful fire opal red Mercedes-Benz C250 Sport CGI Blue Efficiency Automatic. 1.8 petrol, 204 brake horsepower. Just look at it, absolutely gleaming away. Nearly £2,700 worth of factory fitted options. The car really does make a statement. 2 owners from new. It's a 2010 on a 10 plate. You just cannot believe the condition of this vehicle. It really has been totally cherished by the 2 owners from new. Full service history. Just look at it, absolutely beautiful. Some of the options include the panoramic roof, the AMG alloy wheels, very lively 1.8 petrol engine, the car is totally unmarked all the way around. It really does need to be seen to be appreciated. The glass panoramic roof, which is electric tilt and slide. Let's show you all the way around it. Rear parking sensors. No damage to loading area. Great size boot. Again, not been abused in any way. Lovely and clean. All the trims, all the carpets, totally unmarked. Brand new get your home wheel, all the toolkit, all complete. Reverse camera just under there. No dents, no scratches, no scuffs. This is almost how the car came in. He really didn't want to valet, but we'd like to make sure every single car goes through the same process. It could have gone for sale almost as it came in, to show you how nice the cars are. All the wheels absolutely perfect. We've just had those professionally sandblasted and powder coated, not because there was any damage, just a bit of lacquer peeling off in the centre of 2 of the wheels, but we wanted to make sure the car was absolutely perfect for the next owner. So all those have been professionally sandblasted, powder coated. You can see from behind, all as new. New centre caps fitted as well, just to make it perfect. Front parking sensors. We'll give you a full close-up to show you how beautiful all our cars are. No stone chips, no scuffs, no marks, no dings. Just simply beautifully put together. Look at it, gleaming away. All across the front. We don't believe you'll find a nicer car out there. Aluminium door, all the door trims, all absolutely perfect. Plenty of legroom in there, lots of space in there. Again, all the trims, the carpets, totally unmarked. It's got the part leather sports trims and seats. Again, all those in absolutely perfect condition. Centre armrest. You would almost think the trim was brand new. Non-smoker's car. No horrible smells in there. Great all-round condition. Again, all the trims there. Electric folding mirrors. And of course a panoramic roof. Got the sun blinds in the front and the rear. So just let a bit of light in, or just on tilt, or fully slide. Great option on the vehicle. Front central armrest. Additional storage. And the part leather seats again. Electric seats. Look at those seats. There's no wear at all on those seats. Remember, this is a 2010 car. Automatic lights. Leather multifunction steering wheel. Various controls for stereo, Bluetooth. Paddle shift gear change. And just look at the mileage, 35,674. That's all, 35,674, 2010 car. Averaging around 3,000 miles a year. Incredible condition, incredibly low mileage, outstanding condition, onboard computer to tell you various miles per gallon, average speed range, fuel range, etc. Stereo CD. Satellite navigation. Bluetooth phone connected. CD player. Reverse camera. All nicely controlled off there. Dual zone climate control. Tiptronic sports gearbox. Of course you can change the gears up and down. Use the gear stick, or of course a paddle shift on the steering wheel. Cruise control and speed limiter. Absolutely beautiful example. If you want it, you know what to do. Give us a call. We have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. We did a full video to show you exactly how nice the cars are, giving you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. You can arrange a click and collect from our showrooms or ask about home delivery. Specialist Cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, multi-award-winning dealer. We make buying and selling cars a simple, easy, hassle-free process. Further details, please give me a call 01782 822 700. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and you get an update of every single car as soon as it arrives into stock, so you don't miss out. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website, or the phone number again 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.